Hi BF, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to put these rings on this skirt. So there's nothing I love like a good challenge. Here's what we recreated. First of all, what I did was I interfaced the skirt after I was done cutting out the measurements on the skirt. So this is just to add weight to the skirt, and I didn't want the rings or the channels, whatever that is called, to start falling off. This interface was done both to the lining and the fabrics. What we are going to be using is designs or the rings they use on curtains. Initially, I thought I was going to see the big eyelet, but after going around the market, I couldn't see anything close to it. I had to resort to using these curtain rings. So here I was done joining the skirt and also turning the lining, and look at how neat our skirt is looking. I mean, if you want to do something, it should be good. I'm still taking pride in the handwork we just finished doing. Like, this is neat on neat. It's so clean. From the beginning to the end, you won't be able to figure out where or how this skirt was made. Again, that's why we are into this craft. What is worth doing is worth doing well. It's time to start placing these rings on the skirt, and I'm gonna use a fabric pencil and rule a line like a circle. So you're using the inner circle of the ring, and try as much as possible not to make it big. So once I was done ruling that line, I went ahead to use this small cutter, those ones you use to chip off thread and all of that, just to cut it gently around that line, because I don't want that circle to be too big. If it's too big, those rings are going to fall off. Once I was done achieving that, I went ahead to use my ring to check if the circle was large enough for it to fit in. So this whole thing is like a button and the cork. So once you place it the other end, you use the second one to close it up. Just like that, you are done. So I'll go ahead and place the remaining ones, but this time around I'm going to use my fabric pencil to draw out a line where I want it to stop, and I'm going to demarcate where I want it to spread to, which is what you see me do right now. So I want it to be above her knee, like the opening to go above her knee. So I went ahead to mark her waist to her knee measurement, and then I went up about 5 inches or 4 inches thereabout. I drew a straight